slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Michael with RV Stuff back here once again. And today we're going to be taking a look at another pair of Fear of God 1s in the black colorway from YesKicks. This is my second official review on this channel, on the new one. After my last one got taken down at 4.6k subs. Had a pretty big following. My Instagram grew a lot, so hopefully the people on Instagram saw it and subscribed to this new channel. Almost at 200 subs now. Don't know when this video will get posted, but probably be at more by then. I'm hoping at least. But yeah, man, let's just get right into it. Shouts out again, YesKicks. I've been copping from them for a while now, maybe like, I kind of want to say like a year, maybe. Just straight staying with them and buying their stuff, and really haven't been let down too often at all. So definitely one of my go-to sites. But with all that being said, let's get right into it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Drop a like on the video and turn on notifications for the channel as well. Also remember to follow that Instagram just in case anything like that ever happens again. For you guys that don't know, this is my 4th channel. I had 3 taken out. That was my last channel, was my 3rd one. Just part of the game, man. Like my dude Chills, Tony, he knows about it. Danny Oceans, yeah, just to name a few, they know what struggle I'm coping with right now. But I'm not gonna stop, man. Fuck it, it's not even that stressful. Really just upload a bunch of my old or recent older videos from my old channels onto a new one, and then start right back up, man. Staying strong. So let's get right into it. If you're new to YesKicks, shipping with them is about a week with standard shipping, 3 to 4 days with DHL, and keep in mind it's usually like 2 to 3 days processing time as well for the shoes to actually ship and for you to get your tracking information. So let's get right into it. This is all the information, so you guys can pause the video. There's a site, email, and WeChat all at your disposal for you to use. This is the box that comes in. I'm just going to throw the shoes to the side for a little bit. So yeah, this is the top of the box. Just this Fear of God on there. In a little, you guys can see that when the light shines, but otherwise it's like really hard to see because it's literally like translucent, but it's just like written on top of there, translucent. So Nike swoosh on this side. Says some other stuff on this side. It says Air Fear of God SN8329166. Another Nike swoosh, and on this side has the sizing. So Nike Air Fear of God 9.5. I got a pair not too long ago in size 13, or were they 13? I think they're 12 actually. They're 12 or 13, I forgot. And those are for me. These are for a friend. He liked mine, so he wanted me to cop him a pair too. He said, my fam. So Air Fear of God. Looks like he says Air Fear of God's on there. But yeah, so Air Fear of God. Y'all already know. That's the top of the box. Let's throw that to the side and take a look at what comes inside. These are just what's inside, like supporting the ankles. This is a paper that it comes with. So just to keep the shape, I guess. If you guys didn't see that other video, it just comes with a tote bag. So it comes with this nice little bag. Sorry, I had to throw. I'm like so OCD with that. I like throw the thread as soon as I saw it come out. So it has a layer of mesh, and then underneath is where the Nike sign is printed on this side, and then the other side is, what does it say? I think Fear of God. Yeah, so it says Air Fear of God on this side. Same deal, mesh, and then printed underneath in black. Contrast on the video, of course, as always, might be a little bit bad because it is a black shoe, so contrast tends to be kind of bad on shoes that are black. So in this, don't know if I'll be able to open it. Actually, no, you can't open it. Wait, can you? Oh yeah, you can open it. Okay, so basically what you get in here is the Fear of God tag. It's not, I'm gonna open it, or try to at least. So let me try opening it. Let's go. Alright, so I can dump out what's inside for you guys to see, or at least take it. I'm sorry about all the crinkling. So you get a white pair of laces, Kind of looks like a rope for a noose or something. I don't know. And then you do get, oh, I actually forgot about these too. You do get lace locks. So a pair of white ones or translucent ones, and then a pair of black ones as well. And then last but not least, you get this Air Fear of God. It says Air Fear of God on one side, and then Nike swoosh on the other side. Just a little tag made out of plastic. Looks like it'd be like glass or something. It's really cool. So that's all you get for accessories. Pretty dope though, pretty dope stuff. And then you just get these two like bags for the shoes themselves that they would come in retail. Kind of look like, they honestly kind of look like bags that Space Food would be put in or something. I don't even know. But yeah, so that's all you get in terms of accessories for those. Now let's get on to the part you guys want to see. So here are the shoes. You can tell consistency. If you did see that video, I don't know if I'll be uploading that one to this channel of my pair of these from YesKicks. Consistently good. Like, I didn't see too much of issues at all on mine. I wore them to work multiple times. Got a couple compliments, serving customers, stuff like that. People actually knew what shoes these were. And they're actually like crazily comfortable, especially if you get your right size. Like, mine are 12, so after wearing them for 8 hours during a shift at work, like, it was kind of uncomfy. But I'm telling you, like, especially right out of the box, they're so comfy, man. Like, it's literally like walking on air. You have a full length like air pocket running through here underneath the insole, and then this is Nike Zoom as well. So this blue part, air as well. I believe it's like a little air section, I guess. So yeah, there's the bottom of the sole. Air Fear of God, Fear of God, Nike. What's it called? The zippers work awesome on these as well. It says Fear of God. There you go. Some nice details on that. You got some premium feeling leather on the front. It's kind of like nubuck, but you can see it's tumbled a little bit as well. Really nice. This part's 3M. It's like hyperfuse material. See, stitching is on point all throughout. Got those big rope laces in black. Nike swoosh. A little bit of glue marks. I've seen that exactly like that on retail pairs as well. So, yep. Back of the heel, Air Fear of God. It's like heel support. Then it says the size M 9.5, women's 11. Still still don't understand how sizing works with that stuff. Like, I really don't. On the inside, you have some numbers: 06, 10, 24, 25 on the insole, and that is pretty much it. Then you just have your size tag underneath the insole, and the rest is history. So, I'm gonna see if I can zip these up with one hand. If I can, that goes to show how good these zippers are. Like, okay, I basically did it. I didn't really use my other hand for much. So, super comfy shoe. Great quality from YesKicks, especially on these. So I'm sure my friend will be stoked to grab them, have them in hand. There's a look at the left pair, or left shoe, sorry. You see stitching's on point literally everywhere. Nike, Fear of God. See that little detail in the thing. It says Fear of God as well on it. Just a small little details, because the shoe's like super low key, man. Like, if you don't know this shoe, you just guess it's like a regular basketball shoe, honestly. So, yeah, man. These are another pair of the Nike Air Fear of Gods. Got the nice little image for you guys right there. Let me know what you guys think about these. Again, shout out to YesKicks, pushing out awesome stuff since I started copying from them up until now. So, dope stuff. With all that being said, hopefully y'all stay blessed. Have an awesome day. If you're new to your channel, you know what to do. But yeah, catch you guys in my next video. Peace.